Hey guys, it's Mr. Herman back with another video. This one's going to be on finding the area and perimeter of this composite figure. On this first one, we're probably going to do 3 separate videos here, but just so you know, there's going to be more coming up too. On this first one, let's find the perimeter first because that's probably our first concern here. So because it's just probably going to be a little bit easier, maybe not though, who knows, right? So we got this side here. This side here is given. This whole bottom is given. This side, we don't know this one. So since we don't know that, we can't find it too easily. We can find it pretty easily, but not too easily. It's not just subtraction here. If you kind of go like this to go across here, we can see that this whole bottom is 16, and then 16 minus 8 gives us 8 right here. So that's 8, we know that. And then we have a right triangle here, right? Maybe some of you know where I'm going with this already. And then I have a 13 for this whole side here, minus 7 gives us 6. Which means we're going to use the Pythagorean theorem to find this missing side. A lot of the homework problems have the same type of situation where it's not obvious you need to use the Pythagorean theorem, but that you will need to use it. So again, take a look at those triangles. Look for right triangles in your problem. That'll help you out a little bit. So this first one's going to start off with us using the Pythagorean theorem to find this. So I'm going to say 8 squared plus 6 squared equals c squared. So 8 squared plus 6 squared equals c squared. And then we can square these. So 8 squared is 64, 6 squared is 36, and then c squared. And remember, you can, at any point in time you want, you can pause this and try it yourself and see where you're at too. That's fine. So 64 and 36 is 100 equals c squared. Take the square root of both sides. And remember, we talked about that being the caret 0.5 button. Take the square root of something. And that gives us 10. So this is 10 centimeters. Some of you may have caught on early, the ones that I've taught in class about this already, that this really is a 3, 4, 5 right triangle. It's just multiplied by 2. 3 times 2, 4 times 2, 5 times 2. Hopefully some of you caught that early on. So the perimeter is going to be taking, let's take this whole side now back to 13. So 13 plus 16 plus 7 plus 8 plus 10 right here, all the way back to the beginning. So I guess we could just add those up with a calculator if you want. I'm sorry, so there's 20 plus 16 and 8 is 24 plus 34. So I get 54 centimeters. There's the perimeter. Now let's go ahead and find the area. The area is going to be finding 2 shapes. You'll see on the homework problems too, when I solved them, I went ahead and kind of put them in already, and I put the shapes in. So here I'm going to say triangle plus rectangle. I kind of just do this to give myself a visual, verbal cue as to how I'm starting this problem. And I usually abbreviate like that too. So the triangle has a base and height of 6 and 8. Remember, whatever's at the right angle, you don't use this for the area. So it's going to be 1/2 times 6 times 8. Plus the rectangle is going to be, it looks like 7 times 16, right? So 7 times 16. So 6 times 8 is 48. Half of that is 24. 7 times 8 is 56, times 2 is 112. So I get 136 when I add those together. So 136 centimeters squared. All right, catch the next one, and I'll do a very similar problem. Sometimes they're going to involve circles or parts of circles. This next one also has a triangle too, so there's going to be quite a few of these. I'll probably put them up separately so you can review these and watch them before you get started on the process. Thanks a lot. Have a good one. Bye-bye.